Retailfam, welcome back. MB Wilkel over here. We're gonna do a vid today talking about some altcoins, a little bit of technical analysis, a little bit of planning, what I'm planning to do, what the team's planning to do. Are we bullish, are we bearish, what's going on? So we're gonna talk deep dive in. I think most will appreciate this vid because to understand, to be long, to be short, to be selling your bags, to be buying some bags. So it will all be shared today, my thoughts. We're gonna get a deep dive in. I shared on Twitter some altcoins that I'm gonna talk about, and I also asked the Retailfam about altcoins they're eyeing. So I'm gonna give my honest opinion about those. If you like this vid, put on the like, please. Leave a comment for the algorithm. Help us grow as a Retailfam. So yeah, that's what we're gonna talk about today. Also, before watching this vid, there is in your settings button on YouTube, you can speed up the vid in 1.25 or 1.5 because I'm gonna talk a bit slow today. I'm a bit tired, so that way you can see the vid a bit faster. So I'm not going to talk fast today, I'm going to take it step by step. Let me first of all start with Fetch AI. This thing is going bananas, but let's first of all determine what's going on. In crypto at this moment, we've got the meme coin hype and we've got the AI hype. So those both are running. I've already warned you guys about the AI hype like 2-3 months ago. AI on the stocks is going bananas, and it was just a matter of time, and crypto would follow, and it's following now. So all the AI coins, especially I think that Fetch AI is the best one. They're going bananas. They're just pumping. Look at FET. It's really mind blowing. The team has been shorting FET a lot of times. I think that this is the most difficult one to trade and to short, but I can tell you the team shorted it I think 7 times, and they won every 7 single trade they made on FET. They lost one chasing it, they lost in the entry, and then they lost maybe something like 1 trade. It was a small amount, but they have been shorting the shit out of. But you have to be very skilled. So I'm not going to talk about that. That's for the private group. If you want to train yourself and learn how to short long altcoins and how to make the biggest gains, because they also made some nice gains on longing the FOMO. But what I wanted, I also tweeted this. The team will short Fetch AI over here. That's just how it is. They're gonna short it. So if the alarms, you see there are a lot of alarms going on over here. If this thing will reach these levels, it comes close to these levels, they will start opening shorts on Fetch AI. And then you can call me, well, MB, you're crazy. Why would you short the best coin in crypto at this moment? Because look at these candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's just how it works in trading. Trading, you when FOMO hits in, you ride the waves, but you also prepare for the bigger trades, and the bigger trades are when the FOMO gets cooled down and the price of Fetch AI is really outrun, and well, a lot of people that have been buying in over here at some point are going to take profits. And when you see those profits, then you'll see those candles come down, and that's when the team will want to make money. So they're not interested in any longs. So this is versus Bitcoin. By the way, if the alarm goes off, if this thing gets broken up, look at this, guys, there is no resistance anymore. So if this thing breaks up, then that would be the moment that the team will definitely not short Fetch AI. It's super dangerous to short Fetch AI if this thing breaks up. So just keep it. That's how a trader thinks, guys. It's either you plan, you believe, you strike, you analyze, but if the analyze goes against you, so suppose that Fetch AI would break through this resistance over here, then it's a no-go. So it's not about how you as a trader feel or what you hope or what you think will happen. No, you have to act based on what is happening in front of you. And that's when you act. So if this thing breaks up, it's a no-go. There is no short. The bulls are in full control and they want to pump this price even higher. So it would be madness, crazy to short Fetch AI if this thing breaks up. And I think that a lot of retailers, this is their biggest problem in trading. They trade based on what they hope, on what they think, and that will get you wrecked. Definitely will get you wrecked. So it's what I've been teaching you guys over and over again. Don't be bullish, don't be bearish. Just trade based on what you see in front of your eyes, and that's the chart. It shows you. So block your emotions and block your hopes or what you think in your mind. Just trade based on what you see. You have to plan, analyze, believe, and then strike. So they will open up a short, and if this thing breaks up, they will just get out of that short and take a small loss and go to the next. That's just how it works. There's nothing for sure, and I've been seeing some on Twitter. We make some trades, you've got always those haters. Well, it's easy to do this, it's easy to do that. You know, the only thing that's easy is to just go in a trade and hope that the price goes up. When it goes up, a lot of people think that they are traders. That's not how it works in trading. In trading, it's very simple. It's about not losing a trade. I've said it a lot of times, when you find me someone, no matter where he is, if you find me someone that can, with proof, show me the setups that he makes and he goes into that trade and he isn't losing any trades, please show me that guy or that girl. Maybe it's a girl. Show me that person, because that's a person to follow. Don't look when you go into some crypto YouTube channel or whatever and someone's telling you, I'm going to show you how to make money. When someone tells you, I'm going to show you how to make money, it's a no-go. I just put on the X button and I just remove it. I want to find those that are showing us how to not lose money. Those are the ones that I'm interested in. I'm interested in the ones that take the safe trades. I'm interested in the ones that don't lose a trade. Because when I know that someone is not losing a trade, 1 + 1 is 2, it means that he's making a lot of gains. So that's about FED. And at the FED USDT pair, look at this chart, guys. You cannot chart this. There's nothing to be charting over here. This is just one big line up. So for me, FED TA wise, it's not about the USDT pair. The USDT pair doesn't matter anymore. It's now all about this chart. This is the one that we can chart. We cannot chart this one. This one is just going bananas. You can put some fibs on them or whatever, but it is not going to help you because Fed is just running like crazy, and the only chart that we can chart is the BTC pair. So that's about the plan on Fetch AI. Am I interested in buying any Fetch AI? No, I'm not. By far not. I wouldn't put a dime in here. Maybe the team, when some FOMO hits in, they can FOMO trade in the lower time frames. I'm not interested in Fetch AI. I don't care if it does another 2x, 3x, 4x from here. I'm not interested. It's just how it is. So that's the first one. Let me go to my next one. This one I am bullish on, by the way. We made a nice rise up over here. H. This is a payment coin. And what I wanted to show you guys is this level over here on the weekly. We have to get through this one, because this is by the way, in the week's trading group, we are in a long over here. So the week's traders are in a long. They are in gains at this moment as we speak, but we're reaching over here this level. So it's just a short-term trade, and also the gains are locked in because there is no the SL is put in profits, so we're in profits. Nothing can take those profits away, but we're reaching really extreme resistance levels over here. So H at this moment, it's a no-go for me. And the ones that are in profits, well, if this thing breaks up, nice, we're gonna make more profits. And if it comes down, we got hit on our SL, make our money, and arrivederci, like they say in Italy. So but if we manage to break, let me put on an alarm, if we manage to break through the 43 cents, if we can manage to get above this one, oh my god, this is super bullish. And I'm very bullish on Ash. I don't know why, but there is a buddy of mine, he told me about this coin, and I'm very bullish. And I put on the indicators, you can see went above it, and then boom, boom, boom. But we're reaching really strong resistance levels over here on Ash, so keep that please in mind. Keep that please in mind. So we're reaching really resistance levels over here. Let me go to the next one. We're also in a long on this one, by the way, guys, in the Maxi group. So we're long, also nice gains as we speak. So we're in a long on Storj. Why am I long on Storj? First of all, the volume is really massive, and there's also the Arweave is also running like crazy, getting shield also. They've got some news and etc. And I think that Storj is really getting behind, and it's a low market cap coin. I really like it, so that's why we're making some nice gains on Storj as we speak. And what I'm seeing here is a sort of a cup and handle on the making. So over here, so we've got this. This is a real resistance level, and you're seeing some big moves on Storj. It's really strange, so I'm hoping to catch some moves over here, and I would definitely jump out over here on the trade if we'll get a strong move up. But it's for now, it's looking super bullish, and for now this is really strong. So if we will reach the $1 range over here, this is really strong resistance. So this is a take profit level, guys, from the private. If Storj managed to make a real nice, everything from the 95 cents to the dollar is where you have to take some money out and get out of the trade, and let's see what's going to happen. If this thing comes back to the indicator, I'll be interested in scooping some. So that's about Storj. Let me go to the next one. Zilliqa. Zilliqa, guys, Zilliqa, as you guys can see, it's testing on the weekly, the 200 EMA as we speak. Zilliqa hasn't been moving a lot lately. We had this rise, what was this, from the 20 cent. So this is something like a 70% rise. It's nothing, and Zilliqa is very undervalued in my opinion. So it's just a matter of time. So if Zilliqa somehow finds some momentum or gets down, I think that Zilliqa, you know, these coins like VeChain, like Zilliqa, these are old dogs, and when they find momentum, you'll see like a 2x, 3x in a week or 2 weeks time. You make some nice gains, and that's it. So Zilliqa, if it comes back to the 21 cents or make a lower high over at 23 cents, it's a scoop for me, especially if it would come back even lower. So that's about Zilliqa. Zilliqa, Xcad. Xcad is related. This project is very good, and I'm very bullish on Xcad, by the way, guys. I'm super bullish. I don't like the tokenomics a lot, because I was checking it just now, and what I'm seeing is that the fully diluted market cap is 332, while the market cap is at 69. So the tokenomics are not that great about this coin, but if you get some dump down, I will scoop some Xcad around 80 cents, 90 cents. You can at this range over here. So because this thing didn't moon yet, but the tokenomics are not that great, just to tell you that. Fala Network is a Polkadot ecosystem, and this thing, I've been telling you guys about it over here. So the ones that bought in and are in huge gains, congrats to that one. But Fala, I'm also not interested in buying Fala with these regions over here. So Fala also needs to come back to the box. Let me put on the indicator. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, so it's exactly with the box. So if it comes back up, come retest, and from here on go up. So Fala, everything about 30 cents, 14 cents. I'll be interested in Fala. LRC is one that I'm very bullish on. Let me remove all this. Guys, LRC, I've been saying it a lot of time. It already, since I shared it over here, I think I shared it around the 23 cents. Over here, yeah, 22 cents. This is where I shared. So people that bought in are almost at a double. LRC, guys, this is just a coin that finds some momentum. When it finds momentum, it starts flying up. And when it starts flying up, I want to be in. So LRC, same for LRC. Let me put on the indicator to find some Yeah, so look at it, boom, 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 come back, retest, boom, 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 boom. So it's really madness. It's really madness how this indicator does his work. So over here, we already came back to the 25 cent on the dump. So the ones that bought in over there, like shared before, congrats, you're in a nice gain. But LRC, this one is a tricky one. Maybe this is one of the coins that I might buy even at higher levels. Even at higher levels, I might buy some, because as you guys can see, LRC, you know, it broke out over here from this accumulation zone. We even broke out of this resistance line. We came back, we retested this one. I might be trading some LRC. I really, let me check the BTC pairs, guys, because this one is looking good. This one is looking really good. I think that this one will do really great. Let me check LRC BTC. Yes, you see, guys, it's still in the box. Guys, this thing, when it starts running, it could go really. This is the level, the 200 EMA. This is the level to keep an eye on. We have to keep an eye on this. Let me put on my indicator, because you see, we didn't even manage to break above the indicator versus Bitcoin, and this is going to happen. This is going, because look over here, same, rejected, but when it goes so hard. It goes so hard, guys. It goes so hard. Look at it, boom, 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 boom. Guys, I'm bullish on LRC, and I want to be in. Let me put it on a daily. Let me check it. Yeah, it's under the 200 EMA. You see, this thing, it's holding the Indy now at the daily. Guys, this thing is looking so good. It's looking so good. Put on the alarms, guys. LRC could do some. Let me check the volume, guys. Let me check the volume while you're with me over here. Looping. Yeah, this coin might do some nice things. Let me check it. Yeah, 51 million volume. And you know what I like about LRC also, guys, and this is also something very bullish. It's a 490 million market cap on a fully diluted market cap of 490 also. So there, it's ready to moon. It's ready to moon. It only needs some. It needs some momentum. That's all about it in crypto. So LRC, guys, LRC really, oh my God, this is looking good. This is really looking so good. This is looking good. You know, guys, I'm now live trading with you guys and sharing my thoughts on how I trade and how I make money. This is how I make money. This is the way. So I'm doing it live with you guys. So, guys, we closed above the Indy. This thing, I'm really interested in LRC. I might start buying some LRC, but I have to be checking. I have to be checking other things also. But you know, we broke out also here. It's looking so good. So the next level is 50 cent. Next level is 50 cent. Let me put on. Let me put it on lower time. What's going? Yeah, it's holding over here. It's holding over here. We might see a big ramp up, but this thing is a bit. Yeah, we also tested on the 4-hour, the 200 EMA. Look, this thing is looking good. This thing is looking good. I didn't see this. I'm just, what is going on? Let me put this one on. It's this is looking good, guys. Let me put an alarm if you missed the 200 EMA. We get back to it. This was on the rise of Bitcoin when it pumped into there. Retested it. LRC is looking good, guys. LRC, this could be a trade. This could be a trade. So that's about LRC, guys. That's about LRC. Let me go to the next one. This one, guys. Just to be clear, you know, I want you guys to listen and listen very good to what I'm going to say now. This is very, very important what I'm going to say now. Listen to me what I'm going to say now. Listen. When you're trading, you've got your trading portfolio, you got your spot buying portfolio. Listen good to what I'm going to say now. You have to always have an X amount ready to set buy orders on exchanges. Set those buy orders on exchanges. and not just set, no, based on TA. I share a lot of buy zones. I share more charts with buy zones than I share not. And you know, I might not be the most popular influencer in CT, but I'm for sure maybe the most successful. And by successful, I don't mean by that I make the biggest gains. No, I don't make the biggest gains. But just try to catch me lose a trade. Do your best, try to catch me lose a trade or lose an investment. That's not my style, you know? Suppose I've got a portfolio, a spot buying portfolio of 10K or 100K or a million, whatever. I shared this. I shared this when it was over here. I shared this box. When I share something like this, put on some freaking buy orders over here. It was over here when I shared it, I think. And a lot of people, when I share these boxes, they, oh, you're crazy. Neutral will never get back to the $1 range. It did. It did in a fraction. You will get filled. You're going to make money. You're going to make, this is, you know guys what this is? This is free money. This is free. This is free. This is risk-free money. This is, you would be at the top at 43%. And guys, this is no leverage. This is just spot buying. So you can go, you know, let me just say this. When I make a chart like this one, especially on a triple, I go in heavy. So let me give you guys an example. If I have like, you know, like a 100K spot portfolio, I just put in 10K over here. I just made 4K. Free money. Yeah, for sure, it could have gone even lower if Bitcoin would dump lower. But when I put on a buy order over here, I've got more buy orders over here. But you need funds. You need funds for that. And the problem with retailers is when they have like 10K, they can't use those funds to put in those low buy orders. You know why? Because they're filled by greed. They want every freaking dime that they have, they need to buy in because their favorite guru told them that that coin was going to the moon. So he's all in. He's all in. And when this drops happens and the smart money is filling up those boxes and making 40% in maybe one day or maybe in 2 hours, 3 hours, most retailers are just watching that in a loss. That's just how it is. Look at this. Look at this. This is free money. Those dumps, those flash crashes. You know, yesterday in the private, I freaking predicted the flash crash that was going to happen in 1 hour. It wasn't for sure, I'm no oracle, but I was preparing the guys in the group about, listen, Bitcoin is trying to break all-time high. It's going to try to break it again. And I nailed that prediction. It did break all-time high. And I told them when it happens, we might get another flash crash. It was a very small one, by the way. But, you know, you make a lot of money that way. Because on that flash crash, you get filled on low buy orders, even when you're trading leverage. And on the bounce, it goes very hard. Altcoins dump with 20-30% and they bounce back with 20-30%. And on those bounces is when you make the big money. You make the real, because you have to try really 40% on a spot back. You know how hard it is to make 40% on a spot back? You can be the best trader in the world. You will not manage to do that, and it takes a lot of time. But when those flash crashes happen, you make that money in a day. So you have to think twice. Should I have, because you have to see it like this. When you have a trading portfolio of like 100K, use 20-30K for flash crashes. Put those buy orders in. So when this happens, you get filled and you're gonna make 30-40% on that money. It's free money. It's free money. By the way, guys, there were unfortunately Maxi. I'm getting a lot of complaints about Maxi about people put on a stop loss and that stop loss don't get hit. It happens on all exchanges, by the way, because I've traded on almost all exchanges and it happened everywhere. We've been trading on weeks for 2-3 months now. It didn't happen to the team yet. Let me just say yet. I also asked someone from Weeks, why is it not happening on Weeks? And he told me on Weeks we are very strict in our regulatory about liquidities that are provided by the altcoin owners. So if you want to get listed on Weeks, you really have to provide a lot of liquidity. But you know, I'm no technical guy. How this works, I really don't know. I'm just telling you based on what the information that I've gotten. But Maxi, unfortunately, a lot of people are not getting hit on those flash crashes, and well, it's a bad thing. And you know me, guys, when something is good, I'm gonna say it's good. When something is bad, I'm gonna say it's bad. But for the people that have been focusing on what I've been saying past weeks, the team has shipped 75% over from Maxi to Weeks. So they're trading on high volume on Weeks because there is a lot more liquidity over there. And you know, everyone must know for himself. So the team is really waiting for Weeks to add more solid, high liquidity altcoins. And at some point when Weeks is ready, because Weeks is really putting on like 10-15 altcoins a week over there, when all those altcoins will be there, well, I think that the team will make a choice and go all in on Weeks, especially with the native token coming up soon. So that's about that. So guys, congrats. I've shared this one. The ones that did put in the buy orders over here, congrats, 40%, easy money. So let me go to the ones that have been shared by the Retailfam. Sell. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but I'm not interested in charts that look like this. Maybe for trading on lower time frames, but you know, when I see a chart look like this, I'm not interested. Maybe there is another chart that looks, because this is the Maxi, maybe there is a lot more. Let me check before I say something wrong. Let me check sell. Let me check it over here on Gate.io. Let me check it over here. How does it look? Yeah, it's the same. So this thing is mooning. It's looking good. It's mooning. Oh no, wait a minute. Oh, let me see. Oh, now I see a better chart. Okay, so we're really reaching all-time high. So, you know, I really hope for the bag holders of Sell that they will make a lot of money, that this thing will just break all-time high and even go high. But, you know, I just don't buy coins that are over here. I like to buy coins that are over here. So I'm sorry, but it's just how it is. It's for me too risky to get into a coin that is over here. Talos is looking a bit better. So this one, I don't know much about this project, by the way, but it made a nice run up. So it's coming down, and maybe at the retest, it's very simple. Put on the indicator. Oh, the indicator is very far, by the way. So we had a massive pump on this one also. So if this thing comes back, retest the 20 cents region, then I might be interested TA wise on Talos, but I don't know a lot about Talos, so this is how I'm seeing Talos at this moment. It's already ramped up. Let me go to the next one. What is this? MW. This is a competent of VeChain, as one of the Retailfam members said, and I think it's a pretty new coin also. I don't know enough about this coin, but TA wise, it's looking good. It has got a lot of, it could go even higher. I think that the next level will be this one, and so I don't know enough about this coin, but what is the market cap? Let me check the market cap if this is something we have to keep an eye on. Well, it's not MNV, so Masari doesn't know it, so I think it's a low market cap coin. It's not listed over there. I have to do some research about this coin. I will do some research. So the one that shared it, I'm gonna do some research. I have to know what the market cap is of this coin and how much further it could go. But TA wise, it's really a nice accumulation zone over here, and it pumped, maybe come back this. So if you're interested in this coin, about the 110, 120 to the $1, but you have to do some research about this one. This one is getting shilled. I chose this one, by the way. This one is getting shilled like crazy, and you know, this shilling, this one is looking really good at this moment. So we've got this has been tested for now, and I think that if the shillers win, will keep shilling this thing. 250 is the next level. So I'm gonna eye this one. Maybe we're gonna trade this one, RBN. It's getting shilled like crazy, so I think it's just a matter of time that this thing will get up again. So nice bump up, 3 days, really nice bump. What is this? This is in 3 days a double. Nice, very nice. So if this thing comes back, by the way, guys, I'm bullish on this one. I'm bullish on this one. So if this thing by any means comes back on a dump or whatever at 80 cents, 90 cents, this is a scoop. This is a scoop for me. I will definitely be buying some RBN. Let's hope it will. If this thing comes back to here, let me put some alarms. This is a no-brainer. So RBN, guys, if put on your alarms or put on some buy orders, just like I explained. If this thing by any means comes back to the $1 ranges, buy it. Let me go to the next one. Also a very shilled coin, PEER. PEER, I've been bullish on PEER for a long time. I've been sharing this one to buy at $3. So the ones that bought it are 3x, congrats. So PEER really, I think that PEER will find some momentum and will rocket up to the $14, and the next level will be $20. So I'm bullish on PEER, guys. And as you guys can see, this was a nice buying opportunity over here at the $7. I shared it also on Twitter. So the ones that are bought in here are 30% gains. Congrats, guys. So PEER, I'll be eyeing PEER, but PEER is looking really good, guys. $14, $20. I think it's just a matter of time and this thing will rocket up over there. Was that all the coins I wanted to talk about? I think, yeah, that's it. So guys, thank you very much for watching this vid. Share in the comment below what altcoin you want me to check next time. I've shared the ones that I'm bullish on that are looking good. So if anyone will buy some, make some gains, show some love, show a like, and repost it. Also on my X, a like, it's very much appreciated. Have a nice one and bye bye.